Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use or enable private browsing on your Safari browser on your iPhone. You can also permanently disable your private browsing on your iPhone. Here are the process. The first one is how to use private browsing. Tap on Safari, open Safari browser, and here from the bottom right corner you will find an icon overlapping it. Tap on it. Here you can see two browser at present opened in your Safari browser, and you can see at the bottom of the page two tabs, and just beside it you will find the option private. Tap on private browsing. Private browsing adds additional privacy protection for tabs. After you choose a tab, Safari would not remember the pages you searched. So you can easily use private browsing. Here tap on private browsing and look for any site or web address. Safari will not save your searches, or your browsing history data will not be saved by Safari browser. This is the benefit of private browsing of Safari browser. So look for any site or web address which you want to run under private browsing, and you can see the address bar of private browsing is black, and if you go to normal browsing, then you can see your address bar will just white. Now we will see how to permanent disable or turn off private browsing of your Safari browser. To disable or permanently turn off private browsing, tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to the apps, go to screen time, and here scroll down and look for the option content and privacy restrictions. Here make sure that content and privacy restriction is turned on, and go to App Store, Media, Web and Games, and here scroll down and tap on web content, and here make the check against option limit adult websites, or if you want to disable it, choose unrestricted. And if you want to enable private browsing, then choose any of the choices, only approved website or limit adult websites, otherwise choose unrestricted. After choosing unrestricted, your private browser will not be visible here. You can see only tabs are showing here. So permanently disable private browsing. Choose limited. If you choose unrestricted, then you can see private option available. That's all.